How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Netflix. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have a Netflix subscription and then you notice that you also have the Naruto Shippuden anime available to watch on Netflix. But unfortunately, you can see if I just go here to the search bar and then I just type in Naruto series over here, what happens over here is that I do have the Naruto Shippuden series here, right? But the problem is I can't watch this in English dub. We only have Japanese, which is the original one, and I'm not going to play it for copyright reasons, by the way. So here you can see audio and subtitles. The audio only we have is Japanese and Mandarin, so you can select the Mandarin. I think now this is currently available, so once you have selected that, you should be able to change it. Now what you can also do from here is, in case in Netflix it doesn't work on the English version, you can try to watch from Crunchyroll, which is also one of the site or the platform where you can watch animes if it is not available on Netflix. Or I would just recommend there's a different type of taste in watching in the original language. It might be hard for you to read the subtitles at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll get used to it very easily. And trust me, it is actually worth it because all the original emotions are there. So this way you should be able to watch Naruto Shippuden in English on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.